How to check Instagram call busy. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all you need to do is launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of messages and story replies. So tap on messages and story replies. Tap on show activity status over here, and as you tap on it, make sure that you toggle on this option of show activity status just to know that you have logged in and you have the access to see if others are active or not. So after you do that, what you can simply do is go back and you can just go to the home of the Instagram application and tap on the DM section at the top right corner. So here you'll basically be able to see who are online and not. Now if you want to just check Instagram call busy or not, you can just tap on any of the profiles and make a call. But generally the feature to show that particular person is busy or not is not available on Instagram. So if they are busy, they'll not be able to pick up, and that's the only cue that you can get. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.